And we are live Friday, December 12th, 10 to 5 p.m. We are going to take a look at what happened today with Tesla stock. We are going to take a look at the VIX, stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So let's do this. So Tesla closed at 458.96, up $12.07. That's 2.7% higher. Post-market seemed to be down by $1.50. So let's take a look at our patterns. Let's take a look at our patterns. Which patterns are still in play and which are no longer in play. And when there is a break in pattern, we can decide what we want to do. Do we sell in the direction of the pattern? Do we buy in the direction of the pattern? So bullish channel right here. Bullish channel, this is still, we are still inside this bullish channel. Tesla is still going higher. Boom. This is the trend. Tesla at the same time is still going sideways within that bullish channel. And within that congestion zone, this is the congestion zone right here. Within the congestion zone, we have been following a smaller bullish channel that is still intact. Yesterday, we came a little bit outside of it. That was not too clear. But today, you know, boom, we are with a vengeance. I'm going to say it like this. With a vengeance, we are back into it. Vengeance. Why do I say vengeance? Because if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, the first hour was crazy. Crazy. So this is the first hour. This is the candle of the first hour. Went super high, super fast, and came down as fast. So, you know, time does not respect what is done without it. This is exactly the case. It's not until, you know, 1:30, 2:30 that we started to get a little bit of upward stability, getting above 452.96. 452.96 is right here. And we have 459 that we cannot break. We tried it last Friday. Tried it, failed. Did not even try that much this Wednesday. Tried this morning and failed badly. And now we are just right smack on it. So, very zigzaggy day, to say the least. But, you know, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Some light, and it might not be a train, because we are right smack on 459. So this is, of course, validating that our lines work. You know, the stock is stopping at our lines. So our lines work, 459. If we go above 459 Monday, then this is going to be on the 1 hour chart a buy. The target is going to be 467. So, and we have momentum. Momentum is still good on the 1 hour chart. We still have a momentum. On the daily chart, we have momentum also. And on the daily chart, we are also looking at 467. Once we are going to break 467, we should get a bigger move, possibly up to $500. So this is what we are looking for. In the meantime, yeah, it does not hurt to look at what's happening on the 1 hour chart and see what we can do about it. But you know, this one today in the first hour, in order to make money there, we just needed to basically treat it as a, you know, treat the stock as a thermometer. Well, if it goes higher than this number, I'm going to get in, and if it goes lower than that number, I'm going to get out. So this is not a trend per se. You know, this is just this is moving in real time up and down. Trends are when we are having several candles and we see a pattern within or around those candles. This is what a trend is. We need to see through time. But when everything happens in 5-10 minutes, then yes, you can say, well, you can play on the 1 minute chart. Yes, we can play on the 1 minute chart. We can play on the 2-second chart too. So this was a super steep move that went down very fast. So, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, not all is lost, because 459 is right at the door. 467 is the target, and above 467, then we are going to move a lot higher, and should be faster. It should be faster too. So maybe next week this is going to happen. Let's take a look at the VIX. So the VIX today, yeah, well, look at that. So look at the VIX right here. Went higher, and let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So this is the first hour. The first hour, boom, VIX went higher. So maybe this is what caused all of this, huh? Let me find the time right here. Yeah, 9:30. Yeah, the VIX started to go boom, 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 quite fast. Every 5 minutes it went higher, and then continued much higher before cooling down a little bit. So a lot of volatility today in the market, and the VIX is confirming that. Overall, the end is nice of all of this. The end, we ended the VIX at 1573. So we like it below 20. So we are still good. We are still good. So if things stabilize a little bit next week, then we could be having a nice move for Tesla. Let's take a look at what the stock indices did. The rest of the stock indices. So Dow Jones right smack on support. So this line right here is support. It was broken. It was broken 2 days ago. This one was broken and closed above yesterday, and now we are just sitting on it. Look at this beauty right here. Boom, sitting on it. The body is right smack on it. So so nice day for Nasdaq, even Nasdaq. Dow Jones, even though we are down 0.51%, we still made a higher high, and we made a higher low. So we are still going higher. So no problem there. Is it the same for SPX? No, it's not the same. SPX, look at this. We broke, when was that? Yesterday we broke above 68.96. This was positive. Breaking above a previously hard to break area, 68.96. Broke it yesterday, and today, the first hour of the day, boom, we came down for the second hour, and we have not even gotten back higher. Tesla went back higher, this one did not. So this is 500 stocks. SP 500 represents 500 stocks. So as a whole, they are lower tonight compared to this morning. Tesla is different. Let's take a look at the QQQ. QQQ looks a little bit more at technology. This is not better. First hour of the day, bang, moved down. We stabilized on support. Nasdaq, same thing. So we only have Dow Jones. So maybe there's this sector rotation happening right here. Look at Nasdaq, first hour down, second hour down, and we have been stable since then. I'm gonna adjust this. I don't like this zigzag thing. This line was great right here, but now we are having a little bit of slippage. So let me cover that slippage that is happening. I'm gonna put it right here. This is where things are at. So yeah, only Dow Jones is doing good. Russell, what's happening? Well, Russell, this is the small caps. Okay, small caps, yeah. On the 1 hour chart, it did come down and did not come back up. Overall, on the daily, we still have momentum up, and we not so recently broke above 2482. So not too bad. Strange day, but not too bad. Let's take a look at gold, silver. So Gold stopping right smack on horizontal resistance right here. Stopping right where we stopped. When was this date? October 20th. Stop exactly at the same place. And so gold is up 0.52%. Silver, silver has been going so far up so fast. Chasing something like this is always dangerous, and this is one of the reasons why. If you chase something that goes higher like this and almost vertical, then boom, it can go vertical on you quite fast. So maybe this one we need to let it cool down a little bit so that we can pick it up at a lower price. Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin? Well, we cannot break above 93,138. We cannot. We try, we try. Succeeded one day, not the next day. We tried in the past. And today, we are not really close to trying. We are coming down closer to 88,891. That's it. 88,891. But we are not going lower than 88 and 891 at the same time. So what does that mean? It means that we are stuck. We are stuck between these two lines. So we need to wait until we get outside of these two lines. If we go higher, this is a buy. If we go lower, this is a sell. At the same time, we are into this downward channel. So Bitcoin is going down anyway. Bitcoin is going down anyway as a whole. Yes, recently it's been going sideways. But this can just be temporary because overall the pattern is down. So let's just be patient. As I said last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need 10 candles, so 2 weeks to see if we are indeed going to get outside of this downward trend. So we have 2 weeks to go to, I would say at the most we could get outside before, but at the most 2 weeks. And what about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum came very close, Well, I cannot help but mention that when we get close to red lines, we tend to come back down. This is what happens most of the time. When we break those, then this is a signal. So this is why we are excited when we get close to a red line, because if we break it, this is a signal to get in. But this is caving in exactly on the red line. So this is nice. This is nice to see. But overall, this is less nice because it's not launching. And we are back into the downward channel. We were outside. Now we are back into it. Boom, like this, back into it. So yeah, didn't happen. It didn't happen. What can we do? If it does not happen, we cannot make it happen. BMNR, we had a nice little bullish channel right here. This is the support line, but we are outside of it now. And we had support at 35.25. It's going lower also. So just a small run right here. Things are coming out. So cannot say that things are looking super good. So protect what you have. The FOMC meeting coming out this week on Wednesday. The Fed lowered the rates, so we were all hopeful that things would really be launching, but so far this is not happening. You see it here? We don't see it. And when we don't see it, we don't want to force it. So it's better to protect what you already have, stay aside, and then wait for a better opportunity. As easy as that. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday for my Tesla Weekly Live. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine si Dieu le veut.